Hello, this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. Olive oil has been used as a medicinal oil with a long history. And the research found that in the olive oil rich diet country, they have a lower stroke, heart disease, and diabetes because they take the benefits of especially the monounsaturated fat, which are the major compounds within the olive oil. Not only it's benefit the overall health of the body, but also it's good for our skin. One of the recent research, they use the olive oil lotion on the newborn babies. They found that after 4 weeks of use, this group of the baby has a significantly less dermatitis compared with the control group and the other group using just the cream purchased from the market. The reason could be because the chemical composition within the olive oil, they are rich of the monounsaturated acids such as oleic acid and other the vitamin E and polyphenols, sterols, those antioxidants. These chemicals bring the benefits of anti-inflammation, antioxidants, and anti-aging. Another study, they use a rat, they feed the rat with olive oil and compare with the safflower oil. They found the group of rat fed with the olive oil can have a less severe lesions under the radiation of the UV compared with the other group fed with safflower oil. Because the olive oil mainly has monounsaturated acid compared with the safflower oil, they are rich in the polyunsaturated acid. So we know the benefits of the olive oil to the body health and also the skin. There are so many different oils in the market, which one we should choose. Extra virgin, virgin, light oil, flavor oil. We normally choose the less processed oil, that is extra virgin and virgin olive oil. Those contains more natural compounds such as vitamin E and polyphenols. And the next question is, how do we use olive oil? There are two ways. The first way is drink it. So every morning I drink 1 teaspoon of olive oil before eating the food. And this gives me a very fresh day. And the second way is use it topically. You can use directly of the olive oil on the skin. And in this video, I will show you a recipe to make a mint olive oil, that is infused olive oil. It's very good to keep a healthy skin, hair, and nail. To make a mint olive oil, we need extra virgin olive oil. I'm using the dry peppermint leaf. You can use a fresh leaf. The difference is a fresh leaf has water, so you want to wash it and very carefully dry it, fully dry them, and then you use it. You don't want to bring extra water besides the moisture in the leaf into the oil. That can make its shelf life shorter. Because I already have the dry peppermint leaf, so I just use the dry leaf. Dry leaf is easier to deal with, just use as is. So here's a half cup olive oil. Use a little pot. You can do a double boiler, and I just use the hot plate to heat it up directly. Turn on the heat, medium low. Just make it warm, don't overheat it. If you touch, like you feel hot, then it's too hot. So the temperature is 58, it's lower than 60. Add the peppermint. For this half cup oil, we add 1/8 cup or 1 ounce. So just take you about 10 minutes to get this mint olive oil ready. When you make it, you can start using now. You already have the mint flavor, but I'm going to keep it for another 24 hours to have a better extraction. Using this oil, there are two ways. The first one is drink it, 1 teaspoon every day in the morning. And the second use is on the topical. Put on the hair, nail and the skin to keep it healthy and young looking. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you won't miss the new video. See you next time.